Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to talk about SEI. None of the content is financial advice. If you like, please give us a like and subscribe. The price of SEI has now reached to about 36 cents. It's from this color coded price versus risk using polynomial regression function. Right now, the risk is at around 0.6. Again, not too long, the risk was less than 6%. In April of 2025, we made 3 videos on this channel related to SEI. You can check them out. Again, 4 months ago, that was when price was much lower from what it is today. 3 weeks ago, and now also 2 weeks ago, and this is the 4th video. Though the price has gone to the 0.36 level, again from the perspective of December 2024 highs that say achieved at around 71 cents, its price is almost one half of that at around 36 cents. You can verify the price over here at 36 cents. Again, it's coming at a key level at around 0.23 fib level, which is at around 34-35 cents. So if let's say the price holds that 0.23 fib level from the 2024 highs, again this is a newer crypto, did not exist in the last bear market of 2022, was launched in 2023. Now in 2025, the 0.382 from the perspective of March and February 2024 high, the 0.382 is at around 47 cents. So that's the next level to watch. To the downside, the 21-week exponential moving average and the 20-week moving average are at around between 26 cents and 22 cents, roughly speaking. Again, as time progresses, they have an upward bias. So upward trending support could occur in an event of a downturn in the market. During an upturn, the first level to watch is the 0.47 or the 47 cents level. Then the 58 cents level are the two targets for the Fibonacci levels. Per the risk levels, the peak regression risk, again, whenever the price action meets that dotted red line, again, historically speaking, that has been a good indicator of a euphoria phase in the price action. That is at around 40 cents, slightly higher than 40 cents at this point in time. And the short-term peak forecasted is at around 49 cents for SEI. That would be somewhere close to the 0.382 and in terms of the Fibonacci levels. Again, if all of price action for altcoins is dependent on what major cryptos such as Bitcoin and ETH are doing, how the social media sentiment is with respect to the price action. Right now it's heavily bullish, but again, Bitcoin is holding the keys to the cryptos right now. In terms of the Bitcoin dominance, it's coming close to about 33% in terms of the altcoin Bitcoin season. Bitcoin dominance is at around 63%. Market cap of the crypto asset class is slightly above 3.7 trillion, has not moved that much from the 2021 perspective to 2025. It's just that in terms of how the market cap looks or shapes is slightly different. Again, in 2020, again this chart goes only back to 2022, but if you look at the other chart over here, this is the total cap of cryptos. Again, this is available on TradingView. This is, instead of a weekly, let's go to a monthly candle, and you can see in the mania phase of 2021, the market cap was at around 3 trillion or so. Now the market cap is at around 3.62 trillion. Again, not much has changed over the course of 4 years, but what has happened is in terms of the market share of Bitcoin has risen from back in 2021. The Bitcoin dominance was in November of 2021 over here at around 40%. Now it's at around 64%. So that part has reshaped the expectations for altcoins at this point in time. Again, the most of the gains are enjoyed by top cryptos, and again the newer cryptos which are hit or miss with respect to how many cryptos are released now. Again, none of the content is financial advice. In terms of going back to say the key levels to watch for any future bottom are again or major bottoms are this green dotted line, which is opposite of this red dotted line. Price action, when it comes close to that green dotted line, like it did back in April as well as in 2025 as well as in August 2024, that was a great accumulation period. Right now we are several x away from the accumulation period at around 13 cents. But if you focus on again as this year concludes and 2026 begins, potentially a bear market for crypto, you can see that right now the time weighted average price for SEI is coming in at around 38 cents. But again, as the bull market progresses, this could have an upward shape. Let's say as towards the end of year 2025 and early 2026, this blue line, if there is a bull run in crypto, the blue line, which is the time weighted average price, could be somewhere between 60 to 75 cents. Again, that is just extrapolating using what the base was for, say, in early March and late February of early March and late February of 2024. The price did go higher than $1. Right now it's at around 38 cents in terms of the time weighted average price. Again, accumulating high quality assets below the time weighted average price, definitely not the worst idea to do, especially to tune out some of the volatile moves that altcoins make. Right now, per this model, accumulating below 38 cents for say, not worst idea. In terms of the simple moving average or the 20-week simple moving average based risk levels for say is coming in at around 45%. Again, towards the peak they were at 90 to 95%. So, and also during the next peak at around December 2024, the peak was at 71 cents and the risk level was at around 55%. Right now it's at around 45%. If they were to go to 55%, the price of say could be somewhere between, like, this is a forecast between 48 cents and 54 cent is forecasted using the 20-week simple moving average. Going back to say over here, in terms of the price action at around 55 cents, it's again from monthly view. Let's go to weekly view again, as say is relatively new crypto. The 55 cents is coming close to the 0.5 fib level at around 58 cents. Again, one could slightly overshoot that level, and again the higher risk levels forecasted price action is between 62 cents and 80 cents for say in the next 20 weeks. That is again almost 3 to 4 months towards the end of the year. That is not quite to the end of the year, but let's say end of November of 2025. All in all, the estimated bull run peak for say as a composite of three models that we discussed could be somewhere close to that dollar level, provided that the during the peak the weighted risk goes from that 35 cents to now, 35% to now towards the peak closer to 95%. So that's still about a 2.75x gain from the current price of about 37 cents. And with that, I would like to conclude. Hope you enjoyed that content. If you did, please give a like and subscribe, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.